Hi, and thank you for joining me. This video will guide you through the setup and enrollment of multi-factor authentication on your smartphone. Multi-factor authentication, also referred as MFA, serves as an extra layer of security in case your password gets compromised. This means that users who want to access their email and documents from outside of the office will be required to confirm their identity through their smartphone. Let's look at the following image to better understand the process. Let's say a user is working outside of the office and has already enrolled their smartphone with MFA. The user wants to access net documents and attempts to log in through the Okta website. The system will then recognize the computer is not in the office, so Okta will send a notification to the user's smartphone asking for a verification through the Okta Verify app. From within the app, the user can either accept or decline the login attempt. Let's make sure we have our phone with us to follow along, and feel free to pause the video at any time. On our computers, let's go ahead and open an internet browser. In our case, we will be using Chrome. If you have a Mac, feel free to use Safari. Let's navigate to bremerwhite.okta.com and log in. Okta is our identity provider, which helps users authenticate against all other platforms and applications with a single account and password. Once logged into Okta, let's click our name and settings. Inside settings, let's scroll down to extra verification and click setup. Here, we will be choosing our device type. I have an iPhone, so I will be selecting Apple. I would like to point out that in some cases, the Apple App Store or Google Play Store will ask you to log into your account linked to your Apple or Android device. This is the account that was used to initially set up the device and is not your Bremer account. While Okta Verify is free, the App Store might also ask you to verify your payment information. Let's grab our phones and open up the App Store. Once the App Store is open, let's search for Okta Verify. Let's go ahead and download the application, and once downloaded, let's go ahead and open. On our computer, let's click Next and go back to our phone. Let's tap on Add Account and allow push notifications, and then OK to access the camera. With our phone, let's scan the QR code on the computer screen. Finally, a green pop-up will appear at the bottom of the screen, indicating that your device has been successfully enrolled. Stick around for part 2 of this video, where we will show you how MFA and Okta Verify help stop a malicious user that got a hold of your password and tries to access your account and emails.